Hello, in this flag in 50 seconds we're looking at the Kingdom of Denmark. The flag, which is called the Dannebrog, which sounds a bit like a Danish Star Trek villain, is red with a white Scandinavian cross. The story goes that the flag fell from the sky during a battle in Estonia in 1219. The Danes were about to lose the war, but the sign from above apparently gave the warriors extra new energy and determination, and they went on to win the war. The reality is, sadly, however, that this was just a crusade banner during the same war. Whilst it's not the oldest flag to ever have existed, it does currently hold the Guinness World Record for being the oldest continuously used national flag. It's a matter of contention of what constitutes continuous use, as the St Andrew's flag of Scotland lays claim to the same thing, but apparently through sketchy evidence, allegedly. And so Guinness has sided with Denmark and gives it a date of the 15th of June 1625 for its adoption. The oldest national flag of Denmark. Just don't tell the Scots.